Oof, look at the size of that turbo, bro.
Jesus.
Good God. What's happening, car people? Welcome back to the Cost of Ownership. Today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be going down to Cars and Coffee today. And the idea is to see if I can speak to some people about what it has cost them to own their car. So, just to start off, let me just show what I'm going to be pulling up in. You already know it's going to be that canned soup, and she's looking absolutely decadent today. She thick. She got them thighs. I just love the little curves that she has. But you know what? That's enough gushing over the car. Let's go ahead and get down there. All right, we are here and we see some nasty things out here. Good God. Look at that thing. Hey guys, is one of yours? Is it? What's going on, bro? Hey. Nice to meet you. I was actually just gonna ask, dog. Like, that's an insane setup. How much did it cost for you to like set it up like that?
A lot of parts on it I kind of purchased already for the engine bay. I really just threw it on Motec, and that's really it. I think it has an upgraded gear turbo that I didn't look at the size yet.
Yeah.
The rest is just kind of how it came already. Stock, it's fully stock engine. It's
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha. This is
an injector.
S15, right? Is a
14.
14. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah. No, that shit's sick, bro. I love it. What? How much is the most you've paid, like, for doing something to the car?
The Motec.
The Motec?
Like, Motec is like the whole Motec setup is like $6,000.
Damn.
So that's like the car was like good, but it wasn't like running great.
Okay.
And I figured just put a new ECU in it that's like really modern.
Yeah.
And took care of the rest.
And now it's like where we want it to be?
Perfectly fine.
Perfect.
Just trying to figure out with the only thing is like my AC, like when I run it with AC, it's
Yeah.
like, I just have to figure that out because it doesn't run that great when I have the AC on. I just have to, I think it's my alternator.
Gotcha. Wait, I just realized, bro. This shit is right-hand drive. That's insane. You imported this bitch. God damn.
Probably 3-4 years now.
Good God. That's insane, bro. How much did you get it for?
The thing with shipping,
Yeah.
I was like getting close to like 30.
30? Oh, that's actually a pretty good deal.
It's not bad.
Yeah, that's great.
It's under 40K miles. Like
Yeah, bro.
Miles. I think it has like, it's probably like in the 60s now for kilometers. So
Yeah.
it's really low miles.
Yeah.
I've put in about like 10 to 15 on it myself.
Yeah.
I got it with super low miles. It was even probably cleaner, better condition than you even see it now when I got it.
Yeah.
Nah,
but this shit is disgusting, bro. Good God. I'm loving it.
No, it's been good.
Yeah.
Small little things left, and I want to get a driver's seat. I want to raise it a bit and like try to just put a little bit wider wheel setup, nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Not change the wheels, but tire setup.
Gotcha.
Tire setup.
Okay.
And then.
Yeah, because your tires are nice, perfect for the car.
Yeah. And then
the tire wheels.
I'm thinking just like a wing, just a seat, new tire setup, and like a wing.
Oh, you want to change out this wing right here?
Yeah. I like the stock wing.
Yeah.
I just want to give it a little more like aggressive look.
Yeah.
I think just with like a nice Voltec GT wing or something.
Okay.
It'll just kind of give the car a little more aggressiveness.
Yeah.
It's very simple like this, and I've had it like this.
Yeah. Well, I mean, shit, you're setting up the engine, doing everything, making it drive well. I think the priorities are in order, bro.
Yeah, I think so far, I'm really happy where it's at. I can literally keep it like this, because it makes like around, it's on E85, so it makes like around 350 right now.
Okay,
so like
clean, nice. Okay.
That's like the sweet spot for me. I don't
perfect.
need it any faster.
Yeah, you don't need to be like spinning off your tires off the road and shit, bro.
And the way I have like the setup, like with the stance, any more horsepower is just not even functional.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, at that point. Yeah, but yeah, bro, I appreciate you talking to me. It's an amazing car. Amazing car. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, look at this right here.
That's a big boy.
I gotta get a look at this.
He might say you want
Jesus. Look at this thing. Oof, look at the size of that turbo, bro.
Jesus.
Good God.
God damn, bro. This is
Where's the guy? I wanted to ask him some questions. Was it you that was driving this one? Yeah? Oh shit. I've been wanting to talk to you about it, man. I love the car. Nice to meet you. I'm Kerry.
Man, Jose.
Nice to meet you. I actually just wanted to ask, like, I see your setup looks insane. What's the most you've spent in like just setting up the car?
Close to 30,000.
Oof, damn. But it's an amazing setup though. How much horsepower is it pushing right now?
At 21 pounds, it's making 575. 21 pounds, it's making 575. With the potential to turn it up to 30 pounds. And we'll guesstimate that it's probably making 720.
720? Damn.
But we're not taking it there. I want it to
Yeah.
live.
Yeah, for real.
So 21 pounds is safe-ish.
Yeah.
It's good enough to have fun and get a little trouble in the street in it. You know?
What's the RX-7 weigh again? I forgot.
2,700 pounds.
2,700 pounds for 500 something. That's
575.
575. That's insane. Nah, that's an amazing set. I saw you come in and I said, damn, that's a beast right here.
It's dirty, but I'll show you the inside too, man.
Uh-huh, sure.
I'm so sorry.
Very nice.
Yeah, no, that thing is amazing. You see? Ooh, damn. Yeah, man, I love the RX-7. Oh, I didn't realize it had so much space back here. That's crazy.
Say what?
No, so I didn't realize it actually had a little cubby back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice.
Sure, you gotta keep the premix, man.
Nah, yeah, this thing is a beaut.
Thank you.
Yeah. How long have you had it?
A little over a year.
Nice. Were you so wait, because they're really like hard to find. Like, how did you end up like finding it and buying it?
There's a dealership called Driver Motorsports.
Yeah.
And they were selling it on consignment for an individual in Virginia. And coincidentally, I just looked at their website and fell in love with it. So before this, I had a 1,400 horsepower Mustang.
Oof, jeez.
And I sold it because this is the car that I always wanted to have.
Yeah.
I have built up the Mustang because it was a family car. I could put my 2 kids in it.
Oh, okay, I got you.
But now my daughters are in their 20s, so I was like, you know what?
You get something, yeah.
Even though it's slower, but it's still way cooler, man.
Still, yeah. The looks of this is insane. But I mean, even like you said, slow. But the what do you call it? The aerodynamics, I think, would make it actually a lot better on the track if we were to track it.
I've gone up against C8 Corvettes.
Yeah.
And this walks them.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I really haven't done too much other races with anybody else. But if they see me in the street, they can get it.
They can get it. Yeah. They want it. They can get
shy.
it. That's funny. But man, how much did it end up costing, like for everything, like out the door?
Oh,
Too,
out the
when you bought
door,
it,
was,
yeah.
45.
45. Oh, that's actually pretty good for an RX-7.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was with how many miles?
Well, it's got 110,000
Oh, okay.
when I got it, I think.
Gotcha. But still, no, RX-7s are like
94,
super expensive, super rare. You're lucky you're even able to find one at a time.
And left-hand drive.
And left-hand drive, exactly. Yeah. No, this is
So
amazing.
when I bought it, it was twin turbo with the sequential turbos, and then we dropped in the HPT 7888 in there, and went, with the single turbo setup. But the engine is built.
Okay.
If you know anything about rotaries, it's pinned. It has 5 pins.
Okay.
Solid dowels. It can hold power.
Yeah.
It's built for holding power.
No, yeah, I know rotary engines are like really good when it comes to like taking a lot of
It has
horsepower.
a semi-peripheral port along with a large street port. So that's why when you turn it on, it chops.
Yeah.
It braps.
Yeah. Yeah, it sounded like a muscle car when you were pulling in, like brr, 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 brr. Yeah.
That's,
No, I love that.
brapping.
No, it's amazing, man. I appreciate you talking to me, Jose. Thank you. Yeah, it's a car wash. Oh, I guess he's getting a wash. Yeah, this is disgusting. It's a nasty M3 right here.
You don't get a white super low. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's clean. I think it's clean. I mean, yes, the gray definitely looks amazing, but nah, this shit is clean. Hey man, so what, you gonna give me some ownership info, bro?
Not right now, bro.
Not right now.
I have a busted lip and no cut, bro.
Damn.
Right now. Might as well use your time for someone else. That's all right.
Just check. Oof. That's a GTR right here, bro.
They don't even make those
That
anymore.
Skyline. Yeah.
Oh, there's some shit over there.
Oh, sorry. Good. Look at the ass on this thing. Good God. Interesting setup. It's a big ass intake. Good God. Madness. That's dope. Damn, that's a crazy setup right here. Jesus.
I've seen this GTO in Poland.
Oh man, NSX. Jesus.